Here we got some chopped garlic and a block of American cheese chopped in cubes. Here I boiled some water, added some sea salt, cut some macaroni, and took it to a boil for about 11 minutes. Here I added half a stick of butter and took it to a melt. I added my chopped garlic and stirred it with the butter. At this point, I added about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to give it a little thick consistency. Here I added about last layer of cheese. Make sure you cover it well. Don't leave any spots. Cheese doesn't hurt. This is just an extra step I'm taking. You really don't have to do it, but I topped it off and sprinkled some paprika. I also sprinkled some oregano. And finished it off with some garlic powder. Like I said, you don't have to do this. It's optional. And now the final result, creamy mac and cheese.